What's up everyone? Today I'm with Juliepulie. She asked me to do some vibe coding and let's do that together. So we are building a product return assistant, an AI that reads customer messages, detects tone, caption uploaded photos, and give back actionable output. Why? To see just how fast we can go from idea to MVP using the tools of 2025. 15 years ago, back in college, I was trying to develop the same thing and got stuck in regex hell. But now I've got my dream team and dream stack, OpenPipe to fine-tune a Llama 3 model on real return data for sentiment analysis, Hugging Face to caption image, and Flask, my old friend that actually meets my new friend Replit, and maybe RAG because I like paint. So let's build something so quick, and we'd consider returning Juliepulie just to try that out. Let's do that together. All right, I really like OpenPipe and its simplicity. Let's fine tune a Llama model now. I already uploaded the JSON file in the dataset tab, and it's a simple file with 50 complaint records to teach the model to think like a return bot. Each line in the JSON file is a training pair. Input is what the customer says, output is what we want the model to extract, like issue, tone, urgency. I uploaded this to OpenPipe and trained a new model. Since it takes a bit of time, I already kicked it off. So let's go to the fine-tune tab, create a new run, and pick a base model. I went with Llama 3 with 8 billion parameters, and then select the model ID and leave the advanced options as default, like epochs, LR multiplier, batch size, and I hit fine-tune and let it cook. And then we've got a fine-tune model. Now let's call it from Replit and deploy a UI using Flask. So let's go to Replit. I added everything under the secrets tab, like OpenPipe API key comes from OpenPipe. I already created one. Model ID, the model we just trained. HF token, Hugging Face token. You can generate one for free at Hugging Face, like this here. I created this in the website and took the key. So I also did an experience with replicate.com, but let's go with Hugging Face for now. These are passed something like environment variables, so nothing sensitive gets exposed. So let's create the Flask app, which is in the main.py. So I created main.py. In the beginning, we import libraries and load API keys like this, inject these at runtime. And then another file, a load return policy CSV. This part loads our return policy database. This is the file I created. Here you go. And if the message includes a product like toaster, it pulls the correct return policy. This condition match product in message. I think it's enough for demo, but in production, you would probably want fuzzy matching. Here is the magic image captioning with Hugging Face. It returns something like a torn blue shirt on a table. This is the actual prompt we sent to the model. Here we call the fine-tuned llama model. The API calls to OpenPipe. It responds with something like a JSON file along with the image caption and show the result to the user. All right, let's run this thing, and here is my front end. As you see, we ran that once and I put some information here. Let me show you what where is that? This is a picture of the dog, so I'm gonna insert in the URL part, and also I have a prompt, I copy and paste it. Let me find it here. Yeah, let me copy and paste that here, and as you see, the result that ran once is a brown and white dog and blah blah. And as you see, the tone is neutral, urgency low, and let me run it again. Okay, here you go. And as you see, the tone is joking, urgency again low, and similar sentence as issue description. And as a recap, OpenPipe gave us the structure output. We could also replace the CSV with a vector store using like LlamaIndex, this website, you can find a feature and fetch return policies dynamically like a mini RAG setup. That would make the model truly aware of policies from real documents. Let's save that for the next video if anyone asks for it. That's it. We built a returns assistant from scratch, all in, I think, under 100 lines of code. If you want it simplified, expanded, or connected to Shopify, Airtable, or Zapier, just let me know. Juliepulie and I, thank you for watching this. See you in the next video.